Oil prices have tumbled as a global surplus looms, and President Trump wants to put tariffs on the movies. It's Monday, 5th of May, and here's what you need to know. Take a look at our chart of the day. This is crude oil. Brent crude lost more than $2 a barrel in Asian trading this morning after OPEC Plus countries said they plan to hike output in June by 411,000 barrels a day. Traders are now pricing in a global oil glut. Oil-producing countries agreed coordinated cuts to output back in 2022 to keep the price high, but Saudi Arabia has now made it clear it's ditched that strategy and will pump more oil, even if it drags the price down. ING now expects Brent crude to average $65 a barrel this year, down from $70. Our number of the day is 100%. That's the tariff President Trump says he wants to put on movies made abroad. He said Hollywood is suffering a very fast death because foreign countries offer incentives to film there. It's true that film and TV production in Los Angeles is down about 40% over the last decade, and last year about half of US production money was spent abroad, but it's not clear how the administration would put a tariff on films. Our stock of the day is Ford. It's expected to report a fall in sales and profits when it announces quarterly numbers later. The car industry did get a reprieve on tariffs on imported parts last week, partly because of furious lobbying from car makers, but rival GM nonetheless says it expects the duties that are still in place to cost it $5 billion. Investors are listening out to see if Ford offers new projections at all, as many car makers say things are too uncertain to offer guidance. And watch out later for non-manufacturing PMI data. It's expected to show US business activity is still expanding, although not quite as fast as last month. The market, though, is on red alert for any data point that might show tariffs are starting to clog up the US economy ahead of a Federal Reserve rate decision on Wednesday. The Fed is not expected to cut rates after a strong jobs report on Friday, although President Trump has again said he wants them to. And that's what you need to know this morning.